Hello everyone, we're going to be unboxing the latest Marvel Gear and Goods crate from Loot Crate. So obviously reliability has been a concern for Loot Crate. This is actually the July box, which we got at the end of September, a few days before the end of the month. So we'll open it up and see what's inside. First thing you notice is that unlike previous boxes, this one's just a black box. So they did put a little Marvel Gear and Goods sticker on it, but it's not the elaborate theme boxes they've done in the past. So not sure if that's just a one-off COVID kind of thing, or if that's the new normal. But we'll go ahead and peel off that sticker and open it up. So they've been doing colors each month, and so this theme is purple. Now, I went online, they provide a PDF of what's inside, and it seems like it's sort of a double theme with the color theme of purple, but then also the sub-theme is Mutant Beach Party. So the first thing we got inside, I see, is a Sentinel Tiki mug inside a box, so we'll open it up. This box is themed. It's got sort of the Sentinel look and the Sentinel head right in the middle there. And voila, there's an upside down Tiki mug. So as you can see, it's a Sentinel head from the X-Men. It's pretty big. Just to correlate, here's my regular size iPad, and it takes up about a third of it. So it's not just a small coffee mug. This is a big deal, much like a Sentinel. It's got Marvel on the bottom. So this is a Sentinel and Psylocke t-shirt. It says Mutant Beach Party. Not quite sure what that means. Maybe they have beach parties on Krakoa. Not quite sure why you'd invite a Sentinel to a Mutant Beach Party. Next we got a pin set, 2 pins of Magneto, also ages 15 and up for unknown reasons. What I find interesting about this is that currently in the run of X-Men, Magneto has forgone any coloring to have sort of a white motif, but here he is in his red and purple glory from the classic Age. Next we have what it calls a mini mason candle jar with Lockheed. This is a little mason jar. It's got the dragon right there, the X logo on the bottom. We have the QR code to find out what's inside the box. A Gambit cooling towel. So we'll open this up. So here he is on a G of Spades, it's a Gambit of Spades. And on the back, it's actually kind of cool. It's got a X logo, which kind of looks like a playing card because of Gambit's power. And then finally, we have a Psylocke swizzle stick. So you can put that inside your Tiki mug, and much like the t-shirt, you can combine Psylocke with a Sentinel, and that's what you got. So this is the purple crate. Next, the September crate, which we're not gonna get in September, is themed to yellow. So we look forward to that. All in all, a little bit of a disappointment. There's some neat things in here, but it's a weird theme, weird motif. Probably would have been better if they just stuck to the purple instead of trying to make it a beach party, especially since it arrived, in fall. Thanks so much. Bye, everybody.